Hey, hey, hey. Hello, guys. I'm happy to come your way once again. Thank you for all the love, the support. Oh, I see all of them in the comments. God richly bless you. If you are a return subscriber, don't forget to give a like, share, and also give me a comment in the comment section. If you are a new viewer, kindly don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's your own way of supporting me. Click on the notification button. Don't forget that, so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be able to get it as soon as possible. Okay, so thank you very much. And to begin with, I'm going to enter into the preparation of my salad dressing. But for you to know what is on the table today, the recipe on the table is avocado feta cheese salad. Very healthy, full of nutrients and minerals. Let's go. So to begin with this, you need extra virgin olive oil. You also need lemon juice. Also, you have to get honey for yourself and oregano. So to taste, I have salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. Okay, so after this, all you have to do is just to mix all the ingredients together, and you set it aside by keeping it in your refrigerator, so that when the salad is ready, you just go back for it to make it a full package. Okay, so all right, guys, so today I'm using chickpeas on my recipe, and I'm also using corn, yellow corn. I'm using kidney beans, and so I have lettuce, I have tuna, and avocado. I have feta cheese as well. So okay, guys, I want you to know a little bit about chickpeas. All right, it's rich in vitamin A, C, D, and E. It's full of folates. It has vitamin B12, vitamin B6. It's also full of minerals such as potassium. It has sodium, zinc. It has copper and fluoride. It helps regulate blood sugar, and it helps you to lose weight or manage. It will help you in weight management. I'm talking about chickpeas. And it also improves heart health, and it's a great source of protein. It eliminates wrinkles. So if in any case you are fighting wrinkles, please find chickpeas and be a friend to it. It's very, very good for that. So so we are getting into the preparation. So here are the ingredients: lettuce, I have tomatoes as well, and then we are set, and red onions. It has been already kept in water and been removed. So don't forget, it's always cold water that you have to take the smell away, but it's still crunchy. As even as you bring them out of the water, it's still crunchy. You don't lose anything. Okay, so kidney beans, they helps in weight loss, and they promote um, colon health as well. They are rich in fibers and antioxidants. So this is our kidney beans, all right, and they are rich in fibers and antioxidants, as I was saying. It's also a protein powerhouse, and it's a natural detoxifier. So if you want to detox, you look for kidney beans sometimes. All right, it prevents hypertension, it relieves constipation, and it boosts your immunity. At this moment, we all need to boost our immunity all the time. We have to look for foods that helps us to boost our immunity. So today, you know that kidney beans are good for that, so you look for it and include them in your diet. It also has anti-aging properties, so you know it reduces migraine. That's wonderful. Yeah, so look for, if you have any case with migraine, you look for kidney beans. Yeah, so to talk about yellow corn, they are high in nutrients, high in fiber, lower, it helps lower cholesterol. Corn is gluten free and a good alternative to wheat. For those who must avoid gluten, you have it has antioxidants and good for digestion. So talking about feta cheese, it has calcium, which means it's good for the bone health and has phosphorus and protein. It's easier to digest, unlike other cheese, okay? Unlike other cheese, and it have lower fat content. So guys, now our salad is ready and we are about to serve. So the last ingredient that will go on this will go on or will be added to the salad as the feta cheese and salad dressing. So look at that, it looks yummy, delicious. It's a power pack, a full house. So you can serve this at dinner or lunch, and it's perfect. It's you can use this to replace a meal if you want, because this really gets you full. If you really want to go for this, it gets you full. So here is our salad dressing, and we are about to dress our salad very well. If you need enough for it, depends on how you want it. You can put enough of the dressing on your salad and you can enjoy it anyhow you want it. But this is how I made it. I just used a little, but later, and so the last ingredient to add to this is the feta cheese, okay, which is good for your bones. You don't forget it. It's good for your bones. Yeah. Okay, so it's full of calcium, and as I said earlier on, it's easier to digest. Unlike other cheese, this is easier to digest. So you can just, and don't be worried about the fat content, because it's lower fat content. It has lower fat content, and you have nothing to worry about. So guys, this brings us to the end of this video, and I'll just have to remind us again that if you are a new viewer on my channel, kindly subscribe, and for my return viewers, leave a comment, like, if it's possible, share, and let others get to enjoy these recipes as well. Thank you very much. God bless you, and don't forget to stay safe, stay out of trouble, and don't forget to eat healthy. It's important. Okay, so thank you very much till I come your way again next time. Bye bye.